Hello friends, today I am sharing a very simple hairstyle tutorial that can be carried by girls on her mehendi or any other occasion. This hairstyle looks very beautiful with flowers. So let's start. First we will make partition for front hair from top of the head to the ear. Clip them. Now take the C-section hair from the crown and tease them to give some volume at the top. For front hair, make fishtail braid. Pull out the strands to give volume to the braid. Do the same on the other side. Make fishtail braid and pull out strands to give volume. Tie both the braid at the back as shown in the video. Now take few hairs from both the sides, twist them and seal with a rubber band. Pulling strands technique. Gather whole hair and tie at the back with the rubber band. Friends, I am a Delhi-based makeup artist and hairstylist. If you would like to check my daily updates, you may follow me at Instagram or Facebook. Links are given below and flashing on the video as well. Hope you would have liked this hairstyle and find this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you want some specific hairstyle tutorial. I will work over it. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.